Hurricanes have always affected Louisiana. They've always affected southern Louisiana especially, but the land itself in the past couple decades, that's what's changing, and that's what's causing this big problem.
Our community is so greatly affected by hurricanes that it shows something about the kind of people that live down here. We stand up and we come back year after year, and we come back to the community that has literally just been destroyed.
But whenever we fled for the first time, I was really little. I was probably like 8 or something. But I remember the whole neighborhood came together and we fixed each other's houses.
Our house is raised about 9-10 feet in the air, and if we wouldn't evacuate, the water would be up to our porch. The water rises so drastically, the winds are terrible. We've had the front of our porch ripped off, we've had our house flooded. That's the reason we raised it in the first place.
I don't think people are doing enough to address climate change.
There's people like me who really don't know what's going on. We don't know how to fix it, but we can stand up and say that we want to see something done.
If you want to get stuff done and you really want to change stuff, then it's about the politics and you have to get money for it.
Through working with a local nonprofit, we were able to network out with a federal organization.
We presented a project. It was called the Bayou Dularge Ridge Restoration and Marsh Creation Project. We presented to the Clipper people, and they're the ones who decide where the money gets allocated to do projects like this. And so we went and we presented it, and it was a big success. And it just showed you that you could be a junior in high school, or you could be a senior, or anything, and you don't have to know that much to actually make a difference.
I think it's important to consider that climate change isn't just affecting the land we live on. It's our community. It's where we're from.
We get hurricanes all the time, and our land is sinking, and sea levels are rising. We have all these challenges, but we always come and we fix it because we want to be here.
And so I think when you're talking about what you're losing, it's more than just property. It's more than just land. It's more than just what you think you're losing. It's a way of life. It's a community. It's sitting on the porch Friday mornings, it's jambalaya, it's good cooking, it's festivals, it's families, it's generations of things that this land allowed us to have.